Helo, croeso cynnes I bawb efo diddordeb I astudio Cemeg yn y chweched dosbarth y flwyddyn nesaf. Dr Mark Thomas ydw I, pennaeth Cemeg, a dwi'n dysgu'r cwrs efo Miss Hannah Jones, pennaeth gwyddoniaeth. Hello, and a warm welcome to everybody with an interest in studying chemistry in the sixth form next year. I'm Dr Mark Thomas, Head of Chemistry, and I teach the course along with Miss Hannah Jones, who's the Head of Science. Mae gwybodaeth am y cwrs ar gael ar safle we yma. Information about the course is available from the website here. Mae astudio Cemeg Lefel A yn gweithredu fel cam nesaf o ran deall y rhyngweithiadau rhwng deunyddiau. Bydd y rhan fwyaf o feisydd testun fel y deiledd yr atom, bondio, y tabl cyfnodol, egni, cyfraddau adwaith a chemeg organig yn gyfarwydd ar ôl tygau, ond byddant yn cael eu harchwilio'n fanylach yn ystod y cwrs. Studying A-level chemistry provides the next step in understanding the interactions between materials. Most topic areas, such as atomic structure, bonding, the periodic table, energy, rates of reaction, and organic chemistry, will be familiar from GCSE, but explored in greater detail throughout the course. Dyma'r unedau sy'n cael ei dysgu yn blwyddyn 12, yr AS. These are the units that are studied in Year 12, the AS. A dyma'r unedau sy'n cael ei dysgu yn blwyddyn 13, and these are the units that are studied in Year 13. Yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy, mae pwyslais mawr ar waith ymarferol I sicrhau bod dysgwyr yn gallu cysylltu'r damcaniaeth a'r gwaith ymarferol gyda'i gilydd. Dyma linc i'r brif arbrofion dyn ni'n neud yn ystod y 2 flynedd. We at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy put a big emphasis on practical work to ensure that learners can connect the theory and the practical work together. Here is a link to the main experiments that we perform over the 2 years. A dyma rhai arbrofion cyffredin dyn ni'n neud dros y 2 flynedd, sef teitradiadau, mesuriadau thermocemegol a chyfraddau adweithiau. Here are some common experiments that we perform over the 2 years, namely titrations, thermochemical measurements, and rates of reactions. Ac os da chi'n gadael yr ysgol efo diddordeb mewn cemeg, mae amrywiaeth o gwmnïau a gyrfoedd ar gael I chi. If you leave school with an interest in chemistry, there are a variety of companies and careers available to you. Dros yr adran cemeg, dwi'n gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau'r cyflwyniad, a dyn ni'n edrych ymlaen at weld chi yn yr adran ym mis Medi. On behalf of the Chemistry Department, I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and we look forward to seeing you in the department in September.